Welcome back to video 3 of the UVision 3D Landscape Creator training session. Let's talk a little bit more about this coping and the options that you have. If I click onto the wall and we go to our Cap tab, down here there's a pull-down menu. One says Rough Cut, which is the ledgestone face as we know it. We can go to None if we don't want any cap, which can be helpful if you're building grill islands and so on. We'll talk about that later. We have Flat, which is kind of if you're using Brussels Excel or any other sort of cap with a straight edge. And then we've got the bullnose, which if you're using the Unilock full nose. Now if you notice the joint spacing in here, you can easily change that by just making some adjustments on this size tab right here so that you've got kind of a realistic full nose look.